Hey everybody, Nakul here from SKILLS PTE Academic. Really hope everybody is doing fantastic. I'm back with yet another super awesome power-packed video on PTE Repeat Sentence 5 very easy tips. You just have to follow this and trust me, you will get that immediate improvement. So before we get into the video, if not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. Anytime you need online assistance, it's a paid assistance. You can check the information in the description of this video. We have left a WhatsApp link. You can click on the link, send us a message. I'll be there, we will be there to help you, guide in the right direction. Alright, without further delay, let's straight away get right into the video. Let me just share my screen. PTE Repeat Sentence 5 Easy Tips Immediate Improvement. This is going to be a very short video series wherein I'll be giving you some 5 very simple techniques. You just have to follow them without any shadow of the doubt. Trust me, you will have that immediate improvement in your repeat sentence. And trust me, don't check the scores in the third-party applications after watching this video and come back here and comment saying I applied this, still I'm not getting the score, because third-party applications do not have the Pearson software. They may come closer to what Pearson software may give the mark, but it is in any way not the reflection of what scores you get in the exam. Please consider this. Alright, the very first easy tip, number 1, the very first easy tip in repeat sentence is this. If I could not catch the first 2 words, people have this question. The first 2 words usually will be difficult for some people. It's like starting trouble. The first 2 words is difficult. The rest of them is will become actually very easy. Then can I start from the third word? Definitely yes. The first easy tip is you can start speaking from the third word. But the point is, whatever you speak, you should speak in a rhythm. Make sure you speak like the speaker. Accent need not be copied. All you got to copy is the speed of the speaker wherever the speaker gives a pause. If the speaker is not giving a pause, you also don't give a pause. Maintain that rhythm, match that rhythm. But first 2 words are difficult, you can start from third word. I'm gonna play the audio now. Pay more attention to this first very easy tip. The first few words are a little difficult, and just observe how I manage doing this in style. Alright.
According to ecologists, having a personality means showing a consistent pattern of behavior over time.
Having a personality means showing consistent behavior. Click next. Done and dusted. According to ecologists, if you confuse what is this, leave, man, it's totally fine. You can leave out, set these words aside. And having a personality means showing a consistent. Having a personality means showing a consistent pattern of behavior over time. From the third word, you can speak, and you can speak how much ever you want. Overall, it should just cross 50% of the content matching. If there are 12 words here, if you are matching 6 to 7 words, you're gonna get that full marks. What gives you mark is the fluency. You can go to any extent to get the fluency, right? So whichever the words you have trouble, just skip them. Just skip it completely, you skip it, rest of it you speak. Don't speak the last half like this. Consistent pattern of behavior over time, the software may go crazy. Try to start from the beginning. If first 2-3 words are difficult, 1 or 2 words, all the words would be difficult. Whichever the word is difficult, you skip it and continue. If you are not sure about this word, according to having a personality means showing a consistent pattern. Or according having a personality means, but the point is you should go in a flow. That's very important. If I do this, will I get good marks in my listening? 100% yes. You don't really have to worry about it. Alright, let's quickly move on to the tip number 2. Easy tip number 2. Can I speak half because I fumble? If I speak full, 100% yes. The second easy tip is, if you try to speak more and more, you may fumble, because if you fumble, you're going to lose the scores. Content is not a priority here, it is the fluency. Content is like rabbit, fluency is the tortoise. It's a tortoise that wins the race all the time. That's what at least I have studied, correct? So here, in order to get that fluency, you can go to any extent. That's what the tip number 1. Tip number 2 says, if you're comfortable speaking first half, you speak first half. Click next immediately. Don't have to speak full. But try doing this if you try to speak full every day whenever you practice in some websites. Just observe yourself. If you concentrate to speak full, you can speak full but not fluently. But you will speak full, because only one thing you can focus on at a time. You're not Albert Einstein, man. It's okay, let's accept it. If you can concentrate on both fluency and content, well and good. But if you are that person which is becoming so difficult for you to concentrate on both the things at a time, then concentrate on one thing, man. Not on the content, but on the fluency. Getting it means speak half, that's enough. For example, this audio, let me just show it to you.
According to ecologists, having a personality means showing a
According to ecologists, having a personality means showing. Click next immediately. Don't have to listen also, that's totally fine. Because if I try to speak full, let me just try to speak full. Maybe I can speak full, but let's see what exactly happens.
According to ecologists, having a personality means showing a consistent pattern of behavior over time.
According to ecologists, having a consistent behavior means showing a personality. Well, I did not do it intentionally. Usually it gets messed up, the last phrase becomes the middle phrase becomes the last phrase, and while speaking in that flow, right, I myself would realize, oh, I am messing it up. When that comes, no, automatically, everything will start. Very simple. Speak first half should be more than.
According to
enough.
ecologists.
According to ecologists, having a personality means showing. Little bit you need to speak. You cannot just speak according to ecologists having little bit, because it's a very lengthy audio. You need to catch at least some of the words. According to ecologists, having a personality means showing. Enough. To do this, you got to listen only till here. If you are speaking half, then listen half. You listen full and then try to speak half. For sure, you're going to make a big mess out of it. The third easy tip. People ask this question to me. Should I write the first letter of each word? The tip is, don't write, well, if it's working for you, well and good. Don't try out something new if you have not tried it before. What I mean by this is, repeat sentence when audio ends. Once the audio ends, the mic will not be switched on or turned on immediately. Sometimes it's 1 second, sometimes half a second, sometimes 2 seconds. It depends on the question, it depends on the algorithm. So now how do you know when the mic is on? You have to open your eyes. But what if you're busy writing down the first letter? You will not know when the mic is on. So I've seen many instances where the audio is very lengthy and the student is just writing the first letter of each word. Audio ended, it's still writing, 3 seconds over, it's still writing and is about to finish it. 4th second, it got a message. Microphone turned off due to silence detected. But this poor fellow do not know this, and he just finishes it and starts speaking and clicks next. Thinks everything whatever he spoke was perfect. Don't do this. Well, if you've already started doing this and if it is working for you with a rigorous practice all these years, all these days, all these months, totally fine. Starting something new, I don't recommend this because this causes more harm than good. And when you start writing the first letter, it's so difficult to focus on the audio, understanding the audio. As a result, you memorize the audio. When you come back, you would not even know what you wrote. It may work for 4 or 5 words. 4 or 5 word audio, you don't need to write, you will speak. We want something solid for a 10 word audio, 12 word audio, and this is not a solid solution or an equation for a 12 word audio. So the tip number 3 is, don't try out these things. They may not yield a fruit. Okay. Tip number 4, it's actually very easy when you try to imitate the speaker. It actually gets more easier. You may have wondered, acting is actually easier than repeating. Yes or no? A person acted and now you have to enact the same. It actually becomes more easier. You try to imitate him, but you try to repeat whatever he spoke. It actually gets a little tricky. Correct? So here you try to imitate the speaker. It actually becomes very easy. See, the audio is the same audio.
According to ecologists, having a personality means showing a...
According to ecologists, having a personality means showing. Enough. Don't exaggerate more. According to ecologists, don't exaggerate more. Here, imitate in the sense, try to be as natural as possible, but little, tending towards the way the speaker speaks so that it actually becomes easier. Try this tip. I'm telling you, you verify. Don't simply follow whatever I ask you to follow. Well, I've already verified this with so many students. You also verify it. Go to YouTube, practice repeat sentence and try doing things, try imitating the speaker. It actually becomes very easy. And don't imitate in a way that you exaggerate the sounds. For example, I have seen students doing this.
According to ecologists.
According to ecologists, no. Your fluency will go down. To some extent, you match with your own accent. If you're an Indian, have that Indian accent. If you're an Asian, have that Asian accent. Don't have to try to become a foreigner. repeating it. But yes, try to go in a way the speaker speaks so that it becomes very easy to imitate, because it is easy to act than to repeat.
According.
Alright, the last tip, listen in chunks. Listen in parts, phrases. Whichever phrase is difficult, you can skip them. This is one of the easiest one. If you try to approach a particular repeat sentence problem using these chunks, trust me, you are a king. I'll show you what exactly I meant.
As the pace of urbanization is increasing day after day, the milestones for the government are also increasing.
As the pace of the urbanization increasing day after day, the milestone increases. So now there are so many phrases added. I skipped one of the phrases. I could exactly skip this particular part because that's a phrase. Meaning,
as the pace of
urbanization, what is happening to the speed of the urbanization? It's increasing, growing day by day or day after day. Can I say day by day? Or no problem, man. The milestones for the government are also increasing. If you miss anything, you miss the entire phrase so that you can maintain the flow. As the pace of the urbanization, the milestones for the government are also increasing. As the pace of the urbanization is increasing day after day, the milestones for the government. So it's easy when you understand them in terms of chunks. Sometimes there will be a full stop, meaning as the pace of the urbanization is increasing day after day, the milestones for the government are also increasing. They themselves will give that pause. The pauses indicate the phrases. Sometimes the audio like this, there won't be any phrases, but you have to internally divide them and just understand phrase by phrase. If a particular phrase is missed out, you just leave out the entire phrase. It's totally fine. Totally fine. A phrase will have 3 to 4 words. You miss the 3 to 4 words because it's going to be lengthy audio. All this you apply only for the lengthy ones. Smaller ones, the pace of the urbanization is increasing day after day. For this, no, nothing is required. You just speak full 5 words, 6 words. Don't apply anything. Hope you are getting it. Listening in chunks will enable you to leave out a particular chunk as it is so that you can still maintain the flow, the fluency. I think that's all I've got for you. 5 easy tips, like I promised, I've delivered as it is. If you find the video helpful, informative, fruitful, leave your valuable comments in the comment section and like, share and subscribe. Fine guys, that's all for today. This is Nakul, Nakul, signing off from Skills PTE. Soon we'll be back. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks much for watching.